What if? What if you advertised on every YouTube video about real estate investing, house flipping, and renovations that was viewed by anybody in your local market? What if you used LinkedIn to identify the most influential CPAs, lenders, financial advisors, and general contractors in your area, and you started to build referral partnerships with them? And what if you used very inexpensive direct mail to effectively reach all of those out-of-state owners who own rental properties in your neck of the woods? What if you started a podcast about investing in your local market and you invited some of the largest real estate portfolio owners in town to be a guest and share what they've learned along their journey? What if you found out every keyword that your highest ranked competitor on Google was indexed for, and you created a video with the title of each of those keywords? What if you hosted a monthly dinner for real estate investors in your town and you called it something like the Boca Raton Real Estate Investing Club? What if you ran seasonal radio advertisements talking about all of the simple pleasures and local indulgences that make living in your area so great that your self-managing landlords are missing out because they're taking tenant maintenance calls and doing all of the work themselves? What if you held events, virtually or in person, for locals about how to invest in your first rental property in your town? There are property managers out there and other real estate service professionals that are executing these tactics today and so many more, and we want to share them with you. Join us for this 2-day bootcamp. It's totally virtual, where we're going to be interviewing some of the fastest growing property management companies using these exact strategies and bringing you so many new ideas that nobody's ever tried before in our industry. We're going to be giving you templates and actionable ideas that you can go out and use the very next day. And this bootcamp really is for any residential property manager who has the ambition to grow. At the end of the day, there's only 2 ways to invest in growing your company. You've got sweat equity and you've got check equity. Now, if you've got more money than time, then you want to invest in check equity. And we want to make sure you spend that money wisely, and we're going to give you a dozen ways to do that and grow your company and generate more leads. Now, if you've got more time than money and you're willing to roll up your sleeves and invest the effort to make it happen, we're going to show you how to use that sweat equity and another dozen different ways to generate leads for your company. I'm convinced that this is going to be a first of its kind event for the property management industry. And hopefully, this is the turning point for your company. Will you be there, or will you just be reading about it online and hearing about it from everyone who showed up, took action, and got results? Hope to see you there.